first thing first, I'm going to show you what I have here regarding the gear. Now over here I have Walter Paris in 22. Now you may ask yourself why I don't have maybe 22 long rifle or something like that. Laws here in Croatia are very weird when you talk about guns. Now also for this vid I had to have special permits and just to make it, and it took some time just to realize all the permits and all the stuff that I have to do to film this. Now this rifle here, it is a Magnum Springer rifle and it's made in Germany. It's a great rifle. I'm gonna leave the link of the store where I bought it for all of you guys from Europe. Now you can order it since we are in EU, and I'll leave a link in the comment. I have this molly pouch, and the great thing about it, you have this velcro so you can quickly attach it and detach it if you need it. Outside here I have two light sticks, my fire steel, and basically all that this is. Now, first aid kit. I'm gonna also leave the link of this molly pouch in the description so you can order it. It's really not expensive. For around 10 bucks you have a great little product with great materials. It really doesn't feel cheap. Let's put this back on. This side here I have this canteen with the cup. Over here my Becker BK-17, you already saw it. Over here I have a headlamp. It is Phoenix headlamp. I just got it, so we're gonna make some review today. And that's basically it. All the kit that I have on myself is kind of stuff that I will carry in some hunt. And this scenario is something like Lost Hunter. So I have to spend night here until the morning, and then I have to find my way back to the car. Now, I wanted to talk with you guys about this summer and no weeds almost at all. Now first of all, over here we have huge problems with wildfires. Now during the summer everything is crazy dry, and this season was fine, but it's strictly forbidden to light the fire open by the law. I didn't want to make some crappy vids because fire in this kind of vids is necessary if you ask me, and also campsite with no fire, that makes no sense, and there's no soul in that. Also, if some of you are concerned about this riverbed, about flash floods, oh wait, don't go there, the rain will come, flash floods. There was no rain at all for a long time here, and I'm really not afraid of that. Okay, now what I'm trying to find here is some nice material to make fire. Now you might think that these leaves, check this out. That's not good. Now this is exactly what I'm looking for. So all I have to do is just grab this dead dry grass, and this is just great material for the fire steel. I have this near me. Got it. for about 15 minutes I'm gonna go out there and try to find some small game. I mean, bird, hare, anything small. When we talk about hunting in this kind of situation, I mean, let's call it survival situation, you can get a bigger game like wild boar or something, but you have to understand that wild boar can be as heavy as, I don't know, 500 pounds, and when you prepare that meat, what you gonna do with it? It's just huge amount of meat. You can't eat it even if you want it, and it's just a waste. In the daylight, if you have sun, the flies will come and they will ruin your meat. When we talk about small game, it just, you can eat it all. And the rifle like this, 22, either long rifle or pellet rifle, is just enough. If you have something bigger, like 308 or something like that, it's just overkill for the small game. It's just nonsense. See here and through here, this spot here, and I'm gonna hide somewhere out there, and let's wait. It's very quiet in here. It's been around 45 minutes and still nothing. I'm not losing hope. Well, I have to call this one out. Nothing so far. I'll wait for 15 more minutes and that's it. I'm gonna try in the morning because when I'm hungry, that's not good. Right, I have to get back to my campsite and I have this light stick and I'm gonna activate it because I don't want to be a game of some hunter around here because you just never know. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here in my zipper. That was a bit disappointing, but I'm not losing the hope. In the morning I'm gonna try again, early morning, and yeah, there should be some birds in the morning. It's 10 p.m. It's pretty warm, and in case you're wondering, I see a lot of comments about rattlesnakes and poisonous snakes like that. Well, in this region where I am right now, we don't have rattlesnakes, we don't have any kind of poisonous snakes over here. Rarely in this type of environment. So I'm not worried about that at all. And yeah, I'll just be here. I'm very dirty now from this sand from the rocks, and this is how I'm gonna spend my night. And I have to say, I really enjoy this because it's been a long time and just feels like meditation. No problems here. The biggest problem is just to get up and pick some firewood. It's simple like that. Okay guys, I'll see you in the morning. guys. It's 7 a.m. and this night was pretty long. It was warm though, it was just fine, and predators kept away because around here no food, I'm still hungry, and they couldn't smell anything at all. That's why there were no foxes, no coyotes and similar animals. I'm gonna wait now for half an hour just to warm up a little bit, and now is the time when birds are out and the hare is going to eat. So we're gonna try our luck one more time. Fire was pretty fine, it was burning all night long. I have a lot of these branches around, so it really is not a problem when it turns off. You just get up and snap one, put it on fire, and I slept in periods of around half an hour, and then wake up, feed the fire, and then again. He just ran away from me. I think I see him. He's right over there. I don't know, can you see ears? This here. He was eating right here. That was a nice one. I'm pretty excited right now. I was afraid that I'm gonna miss him, and that would be very crap because these guys are really fast. And it was nice little neck shot. So let's get to the cooking. Alright, now I'm gonna clean that guy up, and since that is not really family friendly content, I'm gonna skip that part, because most of you guys who hunt know how to do it. It's very simple, and there are younger people that are watching this, and yeah, getting can be pretty nasty to see. So I'm gonna clean him up and prepare it to roast on the fire. That would be spicy. This is so nice. It smells nice, looks nice. I took the head off and threw it away, also the legs, so that foxes around can eat. I always leave a piece in the wild of any food that I bring with me, just to give something back. While he's cooking, if you like this vid, make sure you leave like, leave the comment, and subscribe if you're new, somewhere around here if I'm not wrong. And yeah, make sure you comment what you think, so give me ideas for the next vids. This was the most requested idea, hunting, so this is why I did it. I know that some of you maybe don't support hunting guns and stuff like that, but you know, there are always two sides. And yeah, I'm gonna cook him for 20 more minutes and that will be it. It should be nice and roasted. I would call this food porn. How this looks. Moment of truth. Oh, that is delicious. That's it guys for today's vid. If you like this vid, make sure that you click on one of the vids for more content like this. As always, I'll see you next time.